Welcome to this section. My name is Justus. This is the prerequisite knowledge we need to have before we start this topic, writing numbers in power form. Look at it as we begin. This day, I want us to look at index notation and logarithmic notation. When we talk of index notation, we write a number a raised to power n may be equal to a number x. So a raised to power n is equal to a number x. That is just a case in general. Let's consider a number like 2 raised to power 3. This 2 raised to power 3 is usually written as 8. So 2 raised to power 3 is 8. Let's consider 2 raised to power 4 is 16. So we are writing a number 16 as an index notation of 2 raised to power 4. Writing number 8 as index notation is 2 raised to power 3. Writing x as an index notation is maybe a raised to power n. Let's also remember that the number I have here, a, is the base, this is the power, and this is the number. 2 here is the base, 3 is the power or the index, and 8 is the number. So 16 is the number, 2 is the base, and 4 is the power. So we say 16 to base 2 is 2 raised to power 4. 8 to base 2 is 2 raised to power 3. X to base a is a raised to power n. Let's have a number like we can say 10 raised to power 2 is 100. So writing 100 to base 10 is 10 squared. We can have a number like 25. That we can say 5 raised to power 2 is equal to 25. These numbers are written in form of index notation. We can add some more. For example, 3 raised to power 3 is 27. Therefore, 27 to base 3 is said to be 3 raised to power 3. We can add maybe one more. 3 raised to power 4 is 81. Therefore, 81 to base 3 is 3 raised to power 4. Let's now convert our numbers on the right hand side into logarithmic notation. Let's remember that a logarithm of a number comes from a number raised to a certain power. So let's follow so that we can write these numbers on my right, on my left to logarithmic notation. The first example here is we can say logarithm of the number x to base a is equal to n. Let's consider log to base a. A still remains the base. So log to base a of the number n, x is equal to n. So this is the base, this is the number, and this is the power, coming as the solution for the logarithm. Example number 2, 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 8. So the base here is 2, the number is 8, and the power is 3. Therefore, this can be written as logarithm to base 2. 2 of which number? 8 is what? 3. Logarithm of 8 to base 2 is equal to 3. Logarithm to base 2 of 8 is equal to 3. This example here is logarithm to base 2 of the number 16 is how many? 4. So logarithm to base 2 of 16 is equal to 4. Log to base 2 of 16 is equal to 4. Try this one. Logarithm to base 10 of 100 is what? 2. So log to base 10 of 100 is 2. This example here, logarithm to base what? 5. Of which number? 25 is how many? 2. Are we together up to that point? Yes. Logarithm, the second last example, logarithm to base 3 of the number 27 is equal to 3. And lastly, 3 raised to power 4 is 81. We start with logarithm to base 3 of 81 is equal to 4. So that is how we convert numbers in index form or index notation to logarithmic notation. I would like you to attempt the following questions. Convert into logarithmic notation the numbers here. Convert to logarithmic notation. We have 2 raised to power 3 is 8, 5 raised to power 4 is 625, 3 raised to power 6 is 729, 2 to power 7 is 128, 5 to power 5 is 3125. So convert this to logarithmic notation.